If you're a hot sleeper, and I mean the kind of person who kicks the covers off at 2 a.m., flips to the cold side of the pillow every hour, and still wakes up in sweat, I want to show you something that actually changed how I sleep. This is the Chilipad 2.0 by Sleepme. And before I get into the unboxing and setup, I want to be clear. I've tested a lot of sleep products, cooling sheets, bamboo covers, fans, all of it. None of it comes close to what active water-based cooling actually does. I'll explain why in a minute, but first, let's open the box. The box arrives well packaged. You get the water-cooled pad itself, which goes directly under your sheets. This is the new redesigned version. Easier to wash, feels softer than the original. You also get the dock unit. This is what circulates the water and cools the temperature. It sits on the floor next to your bed, under the bed frame, or wherever's most convenient. What's new in the 2.0? They actually listen to their customers. The dock is now nearly silent. The original had a hum that some people noticed. The new one, I honestly forget it's running. You also get a new physical remote, which sounds like a small thing until you're half asleep at midnight and don't want to open the app. And they added a built-in mattress protector to the pad, which is genuinely useful. No subscription, no paywall. You buy it, you own it, that's it. Setup time is about 20 minutes total. You lay the pad flat on your mattress. It works with any existing bed, no special base needed. Then you fill the dock with distilled water, plug it in, and connect it to the Sleepme app. The app is redesigned and clean. You set a sleep schedule so it starts cooling before you even get into bed. And there's a warm awake feature that gradually warms the pad in the morning to bring you out of sleep more gently. Or you can skip the app entirely and just use the remote. 2 buttons, done. The 2-zone version is worth calling out specifically. Each side of the bed gets its own dock. So one person can sleep at 67 degrees, the other at 85. That's the couple's use case, and it's legitimately one of the best things about this product. No more thermostat negotiations at 11 p.m. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Cooling sheets, bamboo fabric, even a fan pointed at your head, these are passive cooling solutions. They react to heat. They can't actually remove it from your body. Active water-based cooling is different. It circulates cold water directly against your body all night. Think of the difference between sitting in front of a fan on a hot day versus getting into a cold pool. The physics are completely different. Your core body temperature drops, which is actually what your body needs to enter and stay in deep sleep. Cooler core temperature means more time in the stages of sleep that actually recover. Deep sleep, REM. The Chilipad 2.0 goes from 55 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. That range matters because cold sleepers, or people who run cold in the winter, can also use this to warm their side. It's a year-round sleep tool, not just for hot summer nights. So what does it actually feel like? Night 1, I set it to 67 degrees. Within about 10 minutes of getting into bed, the pad is noticeably cool. Not cold shock cold, just that comfortable, cool you feel on a crisp night with the window open. I fell asleep faster than usual, and I didn't wake up at 2 a.m. I didn't flop to the cold side of the pillow once. The morning awake feature is real. You set a target time in the app, and it slowly raises the temperature, and your body naturally starts waking up. It's a gentler start than an alarm. Is it a luxury price? Yes. Is it the most effective sleep upgrade we've tested? Also, yes. For very hot sleepers, for couples who can't agree on temperature, or anyone who just wants to stop waking up at 3 a.m. soaked in sweat, This may help more than anything else you've tried. I'll be back in 30 days with the full long-term review. We'll get into sleep quality data, durability, and whether it holds up as a daily driver. If you want to see that video, subscribe and drop a comment below if you're a hot sleeper or if you and your partner have the temperature battle every night. I'd love to hear it. Link to the Chilipad 2.0 is in the description. I'm Steven with Box Sleep Reviews. We sleep on everything before we say anything about it. What do you think? Does it feel hot, cold, soft?
Cold, I mean.
Cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Freezing?
Yeah.
It's nice and chilly. That's what you get to sleep on tonight.
Sleep on?
Yeah.
It's gonna be cold on here. Now I don't have any pillow.
Oh, I better put the pillows on then. Say goodbye.